Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Home. My name is Adam.
And my name is Sarah. We're happy to see you today.
This is Learn English, episode 31.
In this episode, we will practice slow and easy English.
Please listen carefully and repeat after us. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Adam.
How are you today?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine. Thank you for asking. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am good.
I am fine.
Sarah, did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. I feel fresh today.
That is good. Sleep is very important.
Yes, good sleep gives good energy. I slept well.
I slept well.
I feel fresh.
I feel fresh.
Sleep is important.
Sleep is important.
Sarah, what do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up early.
That is nice.
I brush my teeth. Then I drink water.
Very good habits.
What do you do in the morning, Adam?
I wake up early too. I take a shower, then I have breakfast. I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I have breakfast.
I have breakfast. Adam, do you like learning English?
Yes, I like learning English
Why do you like English?
because English is useful. English helps me talk to people.
That is true. English is very helpful.
I like English.
I like English.
English is useful.
English is useful.
English helps me.
English helps me.
Sarah, sometimes I feel shy.
That is okay, Adam. Everyone feels shy sometimes.
But I want to speak English confidently.
You can do it. Practice every day.
Thank you, Sarah. I will practice every day. I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
I am confident.
I am confident. Dear listeners, learning English takes time.
Do not worry. Do not hurry.
Speak slowly. Listen slowly.
Make mistakes. It is okay.
Mistakes help you learn. Mistakes help you learn.
Yes, mistakes help us grow.
When we make mistakes, we learn something new.
Every mistake is a lesson.
So do not feel bad.
Do not feel shy.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Native speakers make mistakes too. I make mistakes.
I make mistakes.
Mistakes are normal.
Mistakes are normal.
I learn every day.
I learn every day. Adam, some people are afraid to speak English.
Yes, many people feel afraid.
They think their English is bad.
But speaking is the best way to learn.
Yes, speaking makes you strong.
Silence does not help. Practice helps. I am not afraid.
I am not afraid.
I speak English.
I speak English.
I try again.
I try again.
Adam, learning English is a journey.
Yes, step by step.
Not fast,
Not slow.
just steady.
Every day, a little.
5 minutes is good.
10 minutes is better.
Consistency is important. I practice daily.
I practice daily.
I listen daily.
I listen daily.
I speak daily.
I speak daily. Adam, listening is very important.
Yes, listening helps speaking.
When you listen, you learn pronunciation.
You learn new words.
You learn sentences.
Listening builds confidence. I listen carefully.
I listen carefully.
I understand more.
I understand more.
English sounds clear.
English sounds clear.
Sarah, we can use English every day.
Yes, in daily life,
At home,
at work,
on the phone,
with friends.
simple English is enough. How are you?
I am fine.
What are you doing?
I am learning English.
That is great.
Thank you. Sarah, positive thinking helps learning.
Yes, positive mind is powerful.
Say good things to yourself.
Like this,
I can learn English.
I can speak English.
I am improving.
I am improving. I can do it.
I can do it.
I am learning.
I am learning.
I am getting better.
I am getting better.
Dear listeners, do not give up.
English is not difficult.
It just needs time.
And practice.
You are not late.
You are right on time.
Start today.
Continue tomorrow.
Do not worry about mistakes.
Every small step counts.
Even one word is progress.
Even one sentence is success.
Try to speak English every day.
Listen to English every day.
Read English every day.
Write English every day.
Practice a little, but do it daily.
Consistency is more important than speed.
I start today.
I start today.
I continue tomorrow.
I continue tomorrow.
Mistakes are okay.
Mistakes are okay.
Every step is progress.
Every step is progress.
Sometimes learning feels hard,
Yes, sometimes it is challenging.
but do not give up.
Keep trying.
Ask questions.
Repeat sentences.
Listen again and again.
Listen again and again.
Mistakes help you improve.
Mistakes help you grow.
I keep trying.
I keep trying.
I repeat sentences.
I repeat sentences.
I speak every day.
I speak every day.
I am improving.
I am improving.
Adam, always think positive.
Yes, positive thinking is important.
Say kind words to yourself.
Like, I can do it.
I am learning.
I am improving every day.
Do not compare with others.
Everyone learns at their own pace.
Your small steps are big progress.
Yes, small steps every day lead to big success.
Dear listeners, remember this.
English learning is a journey.
It is not a race.
Take your time.
Make mistakes.
Learn from mistakes.
Practice every day.
Even 5 minutes is good.
Do not stop learning.
Keep listening, keep speaking, keep reading, keep writing.
Every day is a new opportunity.
Every day you grow a little.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye. Keep learning English.